What happened? What happened? I know. So, ang ganda ng Christmas tree. Ang laki ng Christmas tree nila. Picture tayo dito. Picture. Ano yung picture? Oh, cold. It's very cold, huh?
I know.
Ay,
I am
ganda.
not used to this. Our place is a tropical climate.
Philippines. Yeah, Philippines. Philippines. Taga-Pilipino siya. Okay. One tender, one burger. Good luck to honey. I want this one. I want that one. But full. But full.